Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing about a free online training event that is going to be conducted by Amazon AWS. So we'll be seeing what is that event and what you'll be learning and how to register for that. So I'll show you everything. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out and visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. So AWS Innovate Data Edition is the free online training event that is going to be conducted by Amazon Web Services on 19th August 2021. And basically topics regarding Amazon Web Services, cloud technology and latest technologies and innovations, all these things will be covered in this program. And there are more than 50 plus sessions and they have given what you'll be learning in each of these sessions. I'll just show you that in the later part of the video. Watch till the end. And the most important part for you in this program is you have the opportunity to put your doubts directly in front of the experts. So that is a live 1:1 Q&A session, which means you can ask your doubt directly to the experts. They will answer it and you can get your doubts cleared by that way. And there are some hands-on sessions as well, which means you are not only going to learn theoretically, you are going to implement whatever you learn and see how it works in the real world. And experts will also explain you about some case studies, customer case studies will also be explained. You can get more exposure on that. And certificate of attendance will also be provided for those who attend this AWS Innovate Data Edition program. So this event is going to be conducted on 19th August 2021, and by participating in this event you will get to know how to get insights from your data and create a strong data foundation for rapid innovation while achieving agility, scalability and cost savings. So basically there are 5 different tracks in this event. Track 1 is data driven organizations. Track 2 is modernized data infrastructure, data movement and management. 3 is modernized data infrastructure databases. Track number 4 is unify your data, accelerating insights. And the 5th track is innovate with analytics and ML. So all these topics will be covered in this programs. These are the main modules and all other topics will be under these subjects. And why you should attend it. So if you want to learn about the AWS latest announcements, technologies and innovations, and if you want to dive deep into business use cases, architectural and modernization best practices, you should attend this event and get to know about those things. And anyone interested in these topics can attend this program. There is no restriction, anyone can attend it. And here is the complete agenda. So in this agenda section, you can see what are the different topics that will be covered, and you can even see the duration for which it will be talked about. So if it might not be clear here, just click on this download agenda at a glance and it will take you to this page, I guess. Yes, here it is. So in this PDF, you can see what are the topics that will be covered and what is the time allotted to that particular topic. Everything will be given here clearly. You can just scroll down and see it. And all these topics will be for all the people. I mean, if you are an introductory person, I mean, if you are new to this field, yeah, there will be some introductory concepts, and if you already have some experience, there will be some intermediate concepts. So basically content is provided for everyone. So here they have given level under each topic here. So if it is given as level 100, even if you are new to this field, you can attend this session. If you are intermediate person, if you do not want to get into introductory concepts, you can attend the sessions which are given as level 200 or 300. So level 100 means it's introductory concept. Level 200 it's for intermediate concepts, and level 300, here it is, level 300 is for advanced concepts. So they have segregated into 3 different parts so that you will not waste your time in subjects which you already know. So here in this agenda PDF, you can see that clearly. So next, WhatsApp, here it is. So here they have given what are the things that you'll be learning under each of the tracks which we saw now, like data driven organizations. What you'll be learning will be given here, who will be speaking and for how much time they will be speaking and what will be covered in their speech. Everything will be given clearly for each of the tracks here. You can just choose the track you want and see what you'll be learning. And even for the opening keynote, they have given who will be speaking and the duration. So you can just go through it. And here they have given the conference time. So date is August 19, 2021, and the timing is you have 2 different timings actually. One is 4:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. and the second timing is 10:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. So this is in IST, that is Indian Standard Time. You can just change that time to your local time zone and see at which time it's going to happen for you. So there are two timings available for you. You can choose any one that is convenient for you. And here they have given about this featured speakers. And here are some FAQs, that is frequently asked questions. So you might get some doubt, right? So here they have given the answers for most of the questions that people might ask. So where is AWS Innovate hosted? So it's an online event, as I said, and anyone interested can attend this event. And how do I get this certificate of attendance? So here's the important thing for you. You should attend at least 5 sessions in this event to receive your certificate. And you will get your certificate only by 31 August 2021. So event is on 19th August, but you will get your certificate only on 31st August 2021. And it will be sent to your email address that you used for the registration process. So you will get the certificate, but you have to attend 5 sessions and wait for next a few days to receive the certificate. And here are some other questions. If you want, you can just go through it. And if you have any doubt, you can just mail them as well. Click on this mail us, and you can mail them your questions if you have any. So now let's see how to register for this event, AWS Innovate Data Edition. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. And I just want to tell you about Coursera platform, in which you can get courses for anything like data science, business, computer science, information technology, language, health. So it doesn't matter what you want to learn, Coursera have courses for it. And the best part about Coursera is all their programs are offered by top companies like Google, IBM, and top universities like Duke University, Stanford University, HEC Paris. So the content will be very good in Coursera. If you want to learn anything, just try out Coursera platform, go for their monthly plan. With that, you can learn whatever you want in that 1 month, and you can save a lot of money, and you can get unlimited certificates as well. And here is the comparison for you. If you buy any individual program in Coursera, it will cost you somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. But with the monthly plan, you just have to pay 4,315. And with that, you'll get complete access to the Coursera platform. You can take their courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certification programs. And you can take anything that's available in Coursera platform with this price for 1 month. And you can earn unlimited certificates. If you complete 50 courses in that 1 month, you can get certificate for all the courses that you complete. It's up to you. And most importantly, you can develop job relevant skills by taking the courses in Coursera platform. And there are more than 15 professional certification programs are available in Coursera platform, which are offered by companies like Google, Facebook, IBM. So you will get access to those professional certifications as well. So if you want to learn anything, try Coursera platform. You will definitely love it. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just use my link, which I have given in description, and take this Coursera Plus monthly offer and develop your skills and get your certificates. I hope you'll find this useful. Let's get back to this AWS Innovate Data Edition, and let's see how to register for this event. So just click on this register for online conference button. Just click on it, and it will take you to this registration page. And here you have to fill in some details first. Just choose your preferred language first, and then you have to provide your personal details like your name, last name, city, pin code, postal code, phone number, and then you have to answer a few questions like job title, job role. If you're a student, you know what you have to do. Just type in student, and then the role, just choose the option other or whatever it is. If you're a student, there will be option for it. Just look for it. And then you have to check these two boxes here, get ebooks and receive more information about AWS trainings, and then set a password for your account, and then just check this box to receive more information about Amazon Web Services, and then verify that you are not a robot and click on this register button. And then once you click on the register button, you will see something like this, almost done, check your inbox. So you will get a mail from Amazon like this, verify your registration. So what you have to do is just click on this verify registration button in the email. Just click on it, and then your registration will be confirmed. And after that, you will receive another mail from Amazon Web Services like this, your registration has been completed. And in this email, you will get a login button like this. Just click on this login button, and you will be landing on this page, Amazon Web Services Innovate Data Edition page. So now it is showing as coming soon. So at the mentioned date, that is August 11th 2021, this will change, and you can just simply bookmark this email you can just click on this login button on August 11th, or sorry, August 19th, 2021, and attend the event. So this is how you need to register for this AWS Innovate Data Edition and attend the program. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, internships, workshops, and other online events like this, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.